In a recent development concerning immigration enforcement, the U.S. Supreme Court has temporarily halted a new Texas law that permits police to arrest migrants who enter the country illegally. This decision sets the stage for another legal confrontation over the federal government's jurisdiction on immigration matters. Following a request from the Justice Department, the High Court blocked the implementation of the Texas immigration law until further notice. The court also sought a response from the state authorities by the specified deadline. The urgent request came after a federal appeals court intervened over the weekend, staying the rejection of the law by U.S. District Judge David Ezra. The law, championed by Republican Governor Greg Abbott, faced opposition from the federal government, which argued that it would disrupt the established immigration framework between the U.S. and states. Scheduled to take effect imminently, the law faced criticism for its potential repercussions on U.S.-Mexico relations and the enforcement of federal immigration laws in Texas. The Justice Department emphasized the adverse impact it could have on the existing balance of powers and urged the Supreme Court to intervene. The legal battle mirrors past disputes over states' attempts to enforce immigration policies, reminiscent of a 2012 Supreme Court ruling on an Arizona law. This ruling underscores the ongoing tension between federal and state authorities in shaping immigration policies. In response to the Supreme Court's decision, the Texas Attorney General's office defended the law, asserting its alignment with federal statutes and its necessity amid the perceived border crisis. However, critics argue that such measures undermine constitutional principles and federal authority. The Texas law allows state officers to detain individuals suspected of illegal entry, presenting them with a choice to leave the country voluntarily or face legal consequences. Despite assertions that the law targets new arrivals at the border, concerns linger over its potential impact on immigrant communities and the broader immigration debate. The clash over the Texas immigration law reflects broader disagreements between state and federal authorities on border security measures. With Republican governors rallying behind Abbott's initiatives, tensions persist over the extent of state intervention in immigration enforcement. The legal standoff underscores the complexities of immigration policy and the ongoing efforts to reconcile divergent perspectives on border security and immigration enforcement. As the legal battle unfolds, it remains to be seen how the Supreme Court will navigate the intricate balance of federal and state powers in shaping immigration laws and policies.